Hello, my name is Felicia Clark, and I'm very excited to share this new listing with you located in San Salvador, which is just 20 minutes from the cute little town of Tinamaste, and we're only 5 minutes from the lower entrance to the Nyaca Waterfall. This property has 3.5 acres, 4 building plantels, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, an area that could be a community center, a restaurant, whatever you kind of see fit for it. Huge industrial kitchen, a gymnasium, and a gigantic saltwater swimming pool. We also have ocean views from this property down to Manuel Antonio. We are currently in Diamante Valley. It gets that name because of the Diamante Waterfall, which you can see from this property at the pool area. It's absolutely gorgeous to watch it on the mountainside. Along with the waterfall views, you do have the mountain views, which are covered in rainforest, the clouds rolling by. You see beautiful sunset skies. We are located 2,000 feet above sea level, and that provides beautiful breezes, cool climate. Along with the weather and the beautiful views, you also get a lot of wildlife, and it's a really peaceful community. As you can see, there's a really expansive area next to the industrial kitchen, which can be used for a restaurant. It could be used as a community center if someone wanted to do yoga. It just has a lot of possibilities. You could also use this area and add some additional rooms. So you could have rentals there. You could have a boutique hotel. There's also a really large storage area, which is solid concrete with AC units inside. Perfect for storing your valuables, really useful for a lot of things. The 4 additional building plantels allow for someone to come in, and if they'd like to add casitas or cabinas, turn this into a retreat center, a boutique hotel, and then have the restaurant in addition, it's just really a great opportunity. My name is Felicia Clark, and I really appreciate you taking this tour with me today. If you have any questions about this beautiful property and would like to see it or just need more information, please feel free to contact me using the details below. I'm happy to help you whether you're buying or selling a home, and I look forward to seeing you on my next tour. Thank you.